everybody and welcome back. I just wanted to give a quick review actually today. I got these in the post. They are called soap nut shells and I got them from a place on the internet called Anything But Plastic. Absolutely fantastic site. Got all sorts of amazing things. Anyway, I thought I would get this because I am a little disheartened with my washing detergent that I usually use, and I thought I would give this a try. Plus as well, these, I mean it's only a little bag, but it should give 240 washes. That's incredible. This was £8, this little bag, or thereabouts, £8 something. Not a lot for 240 washes if you consider how much laundry detergent is just for a few washes. And let me show you what these are like. I open the little drawstring here. See if I can get them close to the camera. They are, it's almost like fruit. It feels like dried fruit. And actually, I have actually been told they're not actually nuts, even though they're called nuts. They are an actual fruit. They grow in India. Let's see if I can get that a little closer. They grow in India and they have a natural soap inside them. Who knew? So they don't really smell of anything. There's no kind of smell to them at all. And what you do is it comes in a tiny little pouch like this, and you put like 4 or 5 into your little pouch. You tie it up and you put it with your washing. So that's exactly what I did. And we're in my kitchen because I am about to open my washer dryer and find out how clean my clothes are and whether they smell clean, and whether any of my painty shirts, I have lots of paint on all my shirts, have come out any cleaner. So here we go. Let's have a look. Well, gosh, okay. Well, I can't. There's no smell. So it neither smells dirty or clean. No, there's definitely nothing there. There's no remaining pit smell. There's nothing. Oh, let's have a look. Now this was a little grubby because I've been crawling around the floor and doing my thing. So the lace on here had gone a little, let me just put my glasses on, had gone a little grubby. Oh my goodness, I am surprised. If we look at this, the lace here is beautifully white again. Okay, well, the first thing out the washing machine I'm pretty pleased with. Let's if we can't find something else. Okay. Again, no lingering body smells at all. So I'm pretty impressed actually. Yeah, I am really impressed. So there we are, guys. You heard it here. Get yourself some soap nuts that aren't nuts and get some really good clean washing and save the planet at the same time. Hey! Bye guys, have fun.